Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the metal curtain pole where it failed. Look for bends, stripped screws, or loose brackets. Remove any curtains and support the pole with one hand while you loosen the nearest bracket screws with a screwdriver. Measure the span and note any missing hardware. This tells you whether to repair or replace a section. Once done, lay out the screws and small parts in order so you don't lose them, and make sure the replacement screws match the bracket holes before moving on. You now focus on fixing the mounting and the pole itself. If the pole is slightly bent, grip it with padded pliers and apply steady pressure until straight. Severe warps need a replacement section. Tighten loose bracket screws or swap in wall anchors if the screw holes are stripped. This transfers load to solid material. Slide the pole into the brackets temporarily and use a level to ensure it's straight. Make minor shifts until the bar sits true. Then tighten screws progressively so load stays balanced. You finish by securely tightening every fastener and reinstalling finials and curtains. Pull the curtains across their full range to test smoothness and watch for any new sag or looseness. If you hear squeaks, apply a drop of lubricant where metal contacts metal. Make sure the bar remains level under load. If it sags, add a central support bracket or upgrade to heavier-duty wall brackets. If problems persist, double-check anchor engagement in the wall and replace damaged poles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.